Hi mga viewers! How are you guys? By the way, thank you for watching our videos and thank you very much for those who subscribes and for those who doesn't yet, and hope to see you guys in our channel. This time, I'm gonna show you how to cook baked bangus. Ingredients are first, the bangus or mockfish, mayonnaise, onion, salt, oyster sauce, and black pepper. That's only our ingredients. It's very simple. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to cut our bangus. We have to cut into a butterfly way, like this. Butterfly. Yeah, like that. Yes, like that. It's a butterfly. And then we have to wash before we're gonna put our ingredients to bake. I'm gonna wash it to make it clean before we're gonna put our ingredients for baking. We're gonna take all this blood to make it thinner. There you go, guys. It's clean now. Yes. Now, guys, we're gonna put the black pepper, salt, oyster sauce. Just a little bit of oyster sauce to rub it. Yeah. And then here, you have to sprinkle some salt also. Back and back to back. So that the taste will put through into our meat. Mayonnaise. We put our mayonnaise on top. To do this way, we have to mix and spread into the fish. We have to put our onion. There you go, guys. We have to place for baking. There you go. To our oven with 350 heat. Yeah. And then you will bake like 45 to 1 hour. Or until the ingredients or our fish is totally well done. Thank you so much. Now, while waiting for our baked bangus, I'm gonna show you the pair of our dish. We have to pair the vegetables, which is like lady's finger. And I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna cook today sambal. Lady's finger sambal. The ingredients are sambal, it's a chili garlic paste, oyster sauce, black pepper, just a vegetable powder, and garlic, and lady's finger. That's the only thing that we are to cook today. It's other ingredients of lady's finger sambal. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut. Actually, you can cut in any shape that you like, either like this or like that. But for me, I cut this way. Yes, like that. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you how to cook our lady's finger sambal. By the way, friends, please subscribe us, and I really hope to see you in our channel. Now, we have to put oil, just more of oil. Put the garlic, wait until golden brown, and we have to put after the lady's finger. A simple home cooking, but I really hope that you guys are very happy to watch us. Now we have to put our lady's finger or okra. There you go, darling. Yeah, there you go. Vegetable powder. Our black pepper. Our oyster sauce. Just a little bit of oyster sauce. Small water. To put our sambal. 2 teaspoons of sambal. Yeah. If you want more spicy, so you have to put more. But I just put a little bit of spices. Yes. Just here a little while. Just cover for at least 15 minutes. Guys, our lady's sambal is ready. So we have to take out from the stove. There you go, darlings. This is our sambal lady's finger. There you go. It's very spicy and it's nice. We have to garnish this red onion. There you go. There you go, darlings. There. It's beautiful. Now, our sambal is done, so we have to wait for our baked bangus. See you again for dinner. Now guys, we have to take from the oven. It's already cooked, so just be careful we don't break those. Ang bango-bango, ang sarap-sarap. Now guys, this is our baked bangus with mayonnaise. Please subscribe us for our video and for some of our dish every on and on. And hope to see you guys. Love you. This is our sausawan. It's soya sauce and sinama. So I have to try my baked bangus with mayonnaise. Pilipinas na Pilipinas. See you guys in my next video. Love you. Please subscribe us in our channel. Thank you very much to all my viewers. Thank you. Bye.